Vegan cauliflower sushi. Ingredients: 2 cups of cauliflower rice, 2 seaweed sheets, 1/4 of a cucumber, sliced into thin strips, 1/2 an avocado, sliced, 1/4 of a red bell pepper, sliced, 1/4 of a yellow bell pepper, sliced, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, wasabi and soy sauce. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the cauliflower rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Mix well to incorporate the flavors. Lay a sheet of seaweed on a bamboo sushi mat. Spread half of the cauliflower rice mixture evenly over the sheet of seaweed, leaving a small border at the top. Arrange the cucumber, avocado, and bell peppers in a line along the center of the rice. Using the bamboo mat, roll the sheet tightly to form a compact sushi roll. Repeat the process with the remaining seaweed sheets and ingredients. Slice each roll into bite-sized pieces and serve with soy sauce and wasabi. I have left the recipe for this vegan cauliflower sushi in the video description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more vegan and gluten-free recipes.